really am grateful that you played it honestly and truly. Honestly and truly. I have tried to remove two girls from this. One is Jyotika. Oh my God. She doesn't know this. But I said, नहीं Jyotika को नहीं, इसको लो, उसको लो, उसको लो, उसको लो. And it's really creditable to these guys who said, you can do what you want. We are not going to change her. And I really am grateful that you played it honestly and truly. Truly, it was my mistake, and it would have robbed me of the pleasure of working with you. Thank you very much. Second one, yeah, hai nahi, bichari. Not you, not you. It wasn't you.
This is a question for Jyotika and Sai. You guys have been doing this for a while, and of late we have seen that there's been a shift in the tonality of female characters there who are no longer just love interests. They're calling the shot themselves in mainstream commercial entertainment. How do you see the evolution of that from when you started to now?
So my shift happened when I was 27. I'm 45 now. So it's been a long time since I've shifted from the love interest and praising the hero roles. Yes, it's been a conscious effort. I think it's very much required. There are a lot of stories to be told from the female perspective. There are fewer. There's a lot. I feel Dabba Katal especially is a very fresh take on how women are and their battle as domesticated women and women facing the outer world. And especially Varuna, I feel as a character was an extremely complex but simple character, who lived a facade for the outside world, but there was something deep and rooted inside her. So I just find these complications in a character are very, very important and are the obvious in every woman's lives. So basically the connect with a real woman out there is what makes me choose a character. So the shift has been long ago. I'm just very glad and thankful to Excel for just bringing me on this larger podium and giving me the space to prove and perform. And yes, though I know I won't be asked this, but just standing with Shabana Azmi ma'am, just being in her reflection and just observing her as an actor, I think that has sort of made me a much better actor. I just cannot, the first frame that I saw of myself with her while dubbing for this, I just had goosebumps, it was just both of us in one frame. And I was like, am I sharing the screen space with the Shabana Azmi? I haven't been this excited with a male actor, seriously. So I think this is a very special one for me. Thank you, Shabani, and thank you, Excel. Thank you.